Alright, hello everyone, it's Team Rocket Dross here with another Pokemon card opening. And for this video, guys, as you guys can see, we're gonna be opening the Dusk Pokeball tin. So yeah, guys, I actually got two of these. I ordered one once I saw that they were on sale, and then my girlfriend ended up buying me another one when she went to the store. So I actually have two of these, and I don't know, this is kind of a cool ball. I kind of like this one. And there we go. So it doesn't have actually too many dents on this one like the other ones did. If you guys seen the other ones, if you guys haven't, make sure to go check them out. In the description of the video, I actually have a playlist with all my Pokemon card openings. And yeah, so this one doesn't seem to have any dents other than this one. That's really cool. I really like this one. I really like them for just displaying. They're actually really cool. So let me just open it really quick. Oh, this one's tight in there. Yeah, so you guys can see it doesn't have that many dents compared to the other ones. So we do have 3 packs and a Pokemon coin. So we have another Raichu. I believe they're gonna be all Raichus. I don't know, to be honest. Yeah, so we got a Burning Shadows, we have a Crimson Invasion, and an Evolutions pack. And yeah, so that's really cool. Make sure to go check them out, guys. My other Pokemon card openings, I got a bunch of them. I'm doing them twice a week, and I've been thinking of doing them even 3 times a week. So let me know in the comment section what you guys think of that. Am I gonna be able to put it back? Yeah, I am. That's a really cool card, guys. Not card, but tin. Alright, so let me put the Pokemon coin aside. Oh, sorry, Pichu. Yeah, so there we go, guys. We got these 3 packs. I think I'm gonna open the Sun and Moon Crimson Invasion first, and then Burning Shadows, and then we'll go with the Evolutions pack. So just the packaging of these cards are not that good, guys. You can see how bad the packs look. Now let's see, hopefully we get some good pulls. And yeah, so I also ended up buying a Premier Ball. So that's another one that I'm looking forward to opening. So let me show you really quick. Bam. Could already tell we didn't get nothing good. So I believe this is 3. No, this is 4. So if I make a mistake, I apologize. But yeah, it's 4. So we're gonna start off with the Fighting Energy. We got a Hakama O, which is an uncommon, a Diggersby, Perking Red card, Salandit, and I'll put up on screen how much the actual Pokeballs are worth, and as well as any cards that are worth more than $3, guys. I'll be posting it up on screen as well. That way you guys can get an idea of how much they're worth. And yeah, so for the reverse rare, we got a Diggersby, which is a non-common. That's cool. He's pretty funny. It seems like, what is that? It seems like he's just chilling. That's not his stomach, is it? It seems like he's eating something. Alright, for the rare, we ended up getting a regular rare Staraptor, which I don't have, so that's really cool. And thanks to Robot, we're gonna be looking at each pack, looking for our favorite art, and then from there choosing which one we like the best out of the opening. And I gotta say, I like the Diggersby better out of all of them. So let me know in the comment section which one you guys like or prefer from this pack. And then yeah, so I'm just gonna put these to the side since it's the rare and the reverse rare. And then I do collect the reverse rare, so that's why I put it to the side, guys. That way I could put it with my other ones. That way I could put them in my binder. And let's see if I could open this one really quick. Oh man, I'm having bad luck with these Pokeball tins, guys, and just opening the packs in general. Bam. Hopefully you guys get something good in there. So we're gonna go with 4 as well. So we're gonna start off with the Dark Energy. Right on. Who's that in the back? He looks familiar. Is that Team Skull? I think that's Team Skull in the back. Lunatone. We got Seadra, Sneasel, a Alolan Grimer. That's actually a cool card. I really like the background. Routes, Bullpix, I haven't seen a lot of these cards. Hoot Hoot, we got Pikachu Reverse, which is a common. And for a rare, we ended up getting a regular rare Butterfree. Remember this episode, guys, from the show? It's really sad. I remember the first time I watched it, I actually teared up. It was just so sad, him seeing like Ash seeing Butterfree fly away, and after like everything they went through. I think that's what did it to me when it goes back and it shows him as a Caterpie, how he wished he could fly and stuff like that, and then all of a sudden, like yeah, it just brings you back like to what all they went through, especially being a Caterpie to a Metapod. I think it was more focused on Caterpie, and then yeah, so that's actually really cool. And my favorite art of the pack, I gotta say, I'm either going for the Sneasel or for Grimer. Because this one's more fancy, so there's more going on, but this one's more cool, if that makes sense. I think I like the Grimer better, guys. I know the Sneasel's actually really cool, so it's really close to each other, but I'm gonna go with the Sneasel. And now for our last pack, and hopefully we get something good out of this tin, other than some of these cards that I don't have. So it's a win-win situation. So let me see. Okay, I got it right. I don't want to see the code card. And alright, so here's the code card, guys. And I can already tell we got something good just in the back. I see it. 1, 2, 3, I believe. I already see something shiny, so for sure we're gonna get an ultra rare. So we're gonna start off with Nidorino, Evolution Spray, Brock's Griff, Drowsy, Staryu. We got a Steel Energy. I guess I did it wrong. Growlithe, unless no, I guess it's in there. Ghastly. Our reverse is Eradicate, which is a rare. So there we go, guys, another rare. I've been getting lucky with these reverse holo rares. And for our last card and the final card of this pack, it's gonna be Misty's Determination, guys, and it is dented in the top. Look at that. Oh man, it's just the way that they pack the cards. I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see how dented it is in this corner. Other than that, the card is perfect. It is a little bit more right to left, but yeah, it's more like leaning this way. But that's a really cool card. Misty's Determination, full art. And discard a card from your hand. If you do, look at the top 8 cards of your deck and put one of those into your hand. Shuffle the cards back into your deck. So that's actually really cool, and it's actually the final card of the set. That's actually the final card, so that's really cool. But yeah, the dent over here by packaging, it's really sucks, guys. Look at that. You guys can see it really good right there. And I don't think it's fixable, because if I put it on something, I don't think it's gonna really like make a difference. I'm still gonna do it regardless though, right? Ooh. And now that I have it here, guys, I wanted to show you guys one of the purchases that I made recently. I ended up buying, or at least bidding, into a double Blastoise cards. And then I'm also, just to see if it fixes it, I'm gonna put it in one of these top loaders, and hopefully it's able to at least put it back in there, but I honestly don't think so. It just ruined the card like that, but at least we got something really good, guys. I don't know how much it's worth. I imagine it's running like around $10, but that's just me. But that's a really cool card. So I gotta say, my favorite art out of all these in this pack, put that to the side, I guess the Nidorino. I mean, come on, that's a really cool Nidorino. But yeah, so I ended up getting these 2 Blastoise, guys. I'm not gonna tell you how much. I almost paid basically what they're worth, which is kind of sad, you know what I mean? But I wanted to get them just because I don't have a Dark Blastoise holo. I just have a couple or a few just regular rare Dark Blastoise. So we got that one in really good condition, guys. And then here's the back. It's actually in really good condition, other than some edge wear, but that's expected. And then we have a regular base set holo Blastoise, which is really cool as well. I have probably like 3 or 4 Blastoise cards, hollow base set 2 and unlimited. But yeah, this one's not the greatest condition. It's kind of, it has a few scratches up here. The edges as well are not the greatest. In the background, you can see in the background, the edges are not that good, but it's still pretty cool, guys. Now I have a dark hollow Blastoise and another Blastoise, so it's pretty cool. Just want to show you guys that. If you guys weren't aware, Blastoise is my favorite card, and Pokemon, it is my favorite card overall. I'll admit it, because this is what brought me into Pokemon. This card right here, this is what made me want to collect Pokemon cards. This is what got me into Pokemon. And yeah, I made it a thing back when I was like, what was I, 9 years old, that I was gonna get this card, and I did. So there we go. I already had it before, like I mentioned, just wanted another one. But yeah, guys, so I think out of all these, my favorite card has to be in art wise. So see, I really like the Alolan Grimer. I really like the way it looks. I like it seems like it's snow in the background, but it just fits, you know what I mean? It's also really centered in the middle. It's more focused to the center, due to his arm and his hand and him just looking at you. The Nidorino is just old school, so I don't know about that one. We'll put that one to the side. And then the Diggersby overall, it's more well made, it's better off, it has more detail. Overall, it seems like they spent a little more time on that than they did on this one. So I think I'm just gonna give it off to the Diggersby. Just overall, it's a better, really cool. And something that I want to start doing is actually painting some of these cards, guys. Painting them. So I'm just gonna go over some of my videos of the cards that I pick, and then I'm gonna do a painting of it. And I know it's a big project, and it's something probably that I won't end up doing, but it's something that I want to do and just go for it. It's just been really hot, guys, so that's why I haven't done any drawing videos. But you know what, I'm gonna go for it and see if I could record it one day or not. Then I'll just do it, and yeah, so I'll just show you guys the outcome depending on what I want to do. But yeah, guys, so I think that's gonna be it for this episode. Don't forget to leave a like, guys, and subscribe for more videos, and I guess I'll just catch you guys on the next one. Team Rocket Draws out.